Hello friends, today is June 22nd. We are going to be harvesting some of our lavender. We have two kinds of lavender. This is very deep in color. The other one is little lighter in color. Look at the difference. This is very deep in color and this is lighter in color. In this, the flower stalks are really long. Lavender is an herb and the leaves look like rosemary. So this lavender can be used the same way you use rosemary. You can make lavender oil, lavender infused oil, lavender sachet, lavender tea, and we can use it in our cooking also. Look at the leaves, they look like rosemary leaves, so they can be used the same as rosemary in your cooking. They can be great gifts too. I made few lavender bouquets. This lavender can be dried by hanging them upside down. Then it can be stored.